Hello everyone. In this revision tutorial I am going to explain to you the breadth first graph traversal algorithm. So to begin you need to pick any node which you're going to start off with, in this case A, and then what you want to do is then add it to the queue. So we're going to mark it as in queued with a slash, and then we are going to write it in the queue. And now we are going to stick to following procedure for the remainder of the time. So we take the first element in the queue, dequeue it, then we visit it, and so we mark it and then we put it into the visited list, and then we look at its neighbours which have not yet ever been enqueued before, and we can tell them by them not having any marks on there, so no slashes or no crosses, and we can see that for A these elements are B, D and E, so we're going to enqueue them. So then we look at the first element in the queue again, which is B this time. So we dequeue it, mark it as visited, and then add it to the visited list, and then look for any clean neighbours around it, and the only one for B is C, so we enqueue it and we have to mark it. And then we look at the first element again, which is D this time, so we dequeue it, move it to the visited list and mark it as visited on the diagram. And the only clean node that it has, the clean child node, is F, so we enqueue that. So we basically look clockwise for any free nodes when we're considering a node, when we're looking around it. So the next first element in the queue is E, so we cross it off, put it there, and then mark it and look around it. It's got no free nodes around it, okay. So then we got C here, cross it off there, mark it as visited, and then look around it and we've got G, and we've got F, and that's got no clean nodes around it, so we leave that one, and then we go to G, we cross it out, put it here, mark it as visited, and we've got no nodes around it. So, and we can now see that all of the items have been dequeued, so the queue is now empty, which means that the graph is now traversed.